Hi there. What does Stanford, William and Mary, Dartmouth, the Ashland School District, and the University of Texas all have in common? No, it's not a war between Ivies and non-Ivies. It's Juniper Networks. We're MelAnalytics, and we're going to discuss why AI is not just a nice to have, it's a must have in the digital landscape. We've gathered the best and brightest MBAs who know the exact pain points of learning in a digital environment. And our mission today is to prove to you why it's AI or die. Education will always evolve and adapt with the future. And that future means more connectivity, more digital experiences, more remote learning, and increased access to learning materials. Universities have adapted and grown over the past decade, but compared to other institutions and businesses, schools lag in regard to a variety of effective technological integrations. More and more academic experiences involve interconnectivity, speed, adaptable software, and dedicated IT teams that are capable of bringing this all together. What are the main challenges facing higher education institutions today? We've discovered that there are two: digitalization and modernization of campus operations, namely getting faculty to have the fluency, innovation, and creative ideas behind a digital classroom. And two, quality in-person, online, and hybrid education and research experiences. Today, we're going to focus on the challenges surrounding implementation. And we've all experienced hiccups in network reliability, especially during and throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, when the strengths of our networks were put to the test. Hundreds of thousands of students logging on simultaneously to take a final exam might result in a situation like this, especially if you're not backed by Juniper Networks. All of the complexity is why Mist AI and cloud connectivity are essential for universities and higher institutions to survive and thrive. IT departments will have more time to focus on the implementation and deployment of the future, and less time on reliability issues, service and repairs, and the costs associated with both. If there's one thing you recall today, it's not that AI is just better, it's AI or die.
Using Mist AI technology to collect and transform data into actionable results on device and network performance is key. We will utilize the unique attributes developed by Juniper and Mist to attract higher education institutions. Collecting this data in real time across various locations is a major benefit of Mist. Thanks to cloud computing technology, Juniper and its customers can empower students working from Florida to New Mexico to Shanghai to have access to our professor-driven content and lectures without missing a beat. So why choose us? We know what makes Juniper and Mist the best technology in the market. You offer the best in wired and wireless access, AI ops, session smart SD WAN, automated WAN, cloud-ready data, and connected security options. We bring firsthand experience and knowledge of the higher education landscape to your team and your marketing initiatives. We're going to bring that combination to professors and students around the world. The future of education and how it's deployed makes Mist AI an essential tool in the university IT toolkit. We're going to target universities throughout the US beyond the top tier levels in order to provide students with the best education possible. Our marketing plan will emphasize the mission critical necessity of Mist AI and explain the true value of the product beyond the features. How does it improve the customer's experience and enable the continued evolution of education in universities around the world? Ever-growing IT and tech solutions in higher education makes the process of creating a best-in-class education experience complex. IT departments need to spend more time on improving the student experience, not focusing on IT issues. Limiting network outages and offering services, repairs, and the highest level of connectivity are an expectation at this point and not a luxury. So our promotional mix. First, we would like to prioritize search with targeting around higher education network outages, repair/service costs and difficulties, complexity of the EdTech software ecosystem, and more. We'll secondarily focus on display advertisements on top higher education IT websites, including EdTech Magazine, Inside Higher Ed, Campus Technology, EDUCAUSE, Future of Education Technology Conference, and more. Managing network outages, triaging problems, services, and repairs, and scalability are all necessities now. This is going to be more prevalent with the more students that operate in a digital classroom, and that's why it's AI or die.